Here is the solar powered sewing machine. I've been very idle lately, so I figured I should get busy. So I bought a brand new manual sewing machine. I've never had any experience with sewing before. And so this is the 12-volt DC motor, some capacitor. This is the solar panel wire, and solar panel is right outside the house. This is not an original table for sewing, so I had to cut out a hole so that I could mount the machine head. And this is the pedal for the original AC sewing machine motor, so I had to kind of reconfigure it so that it could work with a 12-volt DC motor. So this is it. To prove there is no current enough to give a shock here. These are the exposed wire. There's no current enough to give a shock there. So I have to try it now with this piece of fabric. As I said before, I really do not have any experience with tailoring, so I just want to learn on the job. So the pedal right now, I'm using my hands. It's supposed to be on the ground, so for demonstration purpose I brought it up so that viewers could see how it works. So that's the motor. This is the belt, and this is the pedal. I could not really control the fabric right now because I'm using a hand to hold my phone as I'm recording. But you could see, as soon as I press the pedal, the motor starts to turn and it starts to sew. There is no hidden wires anywhere. So